Interested in life and its many surprises? You've come to the right place. Let's compare notes. Welcome to Notes on Life. I'm Ellen. I'll be making Youtorials, offering ways, tips, hacks, remedial remedies, support, something relaxing or reassuring, and wherever possible, a smile or two. This is about us, about you, for you. Hey, there you are. Looking for a boost? Having a gloomy day? In need of something cheerful? Right, don't move. Keep watching. In this tutorial, 3 easy ways to lighten and brighten your day. Better still, to cheer yourself up. Come, let's see. Keeping the promise I made you last time. Look, remember? This? Oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. No peeking. Because, you know, I will show you next time. About revealing yet another element out of this here goodie bag. It's this. But what is it? Let's find out. Now, I don't need to unwrap this, because what it represents, it's already been done. It's a gift. It's something that's seated in all of us. It's a quality. Can you guess? It's appreciation. Whoa, whoa. Before you run for the hills screaming or protest or click away, hang on. I do not mean this in a moralistic way, like spending your life hobbling about on your knees in humble gratitude. No, that's not what I'm talking about in this instance. What I mean is something joyful. It's the awareness of the value of anything good, kind, sunny, generous, loving, beautiful, elegant, well done, well made, well presented, tasty. Get my drift? And let's see. Serenity, light, hope, anything trustful or helpful. Anything with the sparkle of life that awards you a bit of freedom. Oh yeah, and relaxation. So basically, anything good. Among many things, appreciation also leads to this. This stands for beauty. Look at shape, color, location, Or look, like here, in an object like this gate, elegant lines that are then, let's say, reflected by its shadow. The ethereal or the colorful, or even getting home on a dark, misty winter night. Nearly there. Or look, spot the detail. Bread in bronze? What for? Ah yeah, for the birds. They say beauty transforms, and also beauty brings in joy. So like the birds with their bread and joy. Like this? Then please like it and share the link. Use the comment section and please click that subscribe button. And while you're there, also the little bell. Then you get a notification every time I've put a fresh video out there. See you. Thanks. Now quickly back to the goodie bag. Now, these two elements really go together. You can see what this is. It's ancient, it doesn't really work anymore, but a little tin wind-up toy. It used to drive our cats totally crazy. And there's this. Now, the two of them stand for a very big hooray for humor. And the celebration, yes please, of silliness, including your own. I used to work with someone who used to say, on average, once a week, I tend to make a fool of myself, and I reserve that right. It was always hilarious. He didn't mean to be funny, he just was. Best way. Look around. Humor, fun, silliness. It's everywhere. Just have an eye for the detail, the situation. And laugh at yourself. Never ever forget that. In the bathroom mirror. Morning, is your hair on purpose? Yeah, it's yours. See what I mean? So, here we are. A goodie bag full of elements that should be helpful in gaining some cheerfulness, a boost, something uplifting. Have fun. And I have here something, a little useful something. You've got one too. We all do. And what can we do with this? No, it's not a box of matches. What is it then? That would be telling, and I will. Next time. Now, as always, stay healthy, stay connected. And I'm speaking for all of us because you see, you're worth the connection. And please, see you next time.